Hello, students. The topic of this speech is Independence Day. Good morning to everyone present here. I feel proud and happy to speak today on the occasion of India's 79th Independence Day. On this day in 1947, India became free from British rule after more than 200 years of slavery. This freedom was not given easily. It came with the blood and courage of many brave sons and daughters of India. Leaders like Gandhiji taught us the power of non-violence, and heroes like Bhagat Singh, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel and Jawaharlal Nehru gave everything for the motherland. Today, India is a strong and growing nation. We have made big progress in space, sports, education, health and more. The whole world is watching India with respect. But freedom means more than celebration. It means responsibility. As students, we must study well, be honest and serve the country with love. Let us make a promise to build an India that is clean, safe, smart and united. Happy Independence Day once again. Jai Hind.
Don't forget to subscribe.